The quick remove eye dark circle in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and open the image. Then go to the layer panel, also background layer copy. Then go to the image menu and click on the adjustment to desaturation. Go to the filter menu and click on the other to high pass. And radius 10. Change blending mode, normal to overlay. Select background layer and create a new layer. Then go to the layer menu and click on the create clipping mask. Select brush tool. Also flow 1015. Press the Alt key to pick the sample and remove the dark eye circle. Now we remove the eye dark circle and remove pimple in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.